Welcome to my Florida Kayaker YouTube channel. Today we're going to go to one of my favorite spots to paddle, and that is the Crystal River area. What's unique about the Crystal River area is you've got a lot of wide open paddling, and then you can go up into canals and into springs. We're launching today in Crystal River at Pete's Pier. Normally we go to Hunter Springs Park, but it's closed due to COVID-19. So there's a boat ramp right here. And we unloaded the kayaks onto this beach and we are ready to get going. And we are off. So that's Pete's Pier. This is the way that we social distance and still enjoy the outdoors. We're going under this bridge and heading over to Three Sisters Spring. And there's a bunch of canals in here. It's really cool. A lot of houses on the canals. It's a beautiful day. It's about 85 degrees. And this is all spring fed, so the water is about 72. So when you get a little hot, you can just splash yourself with the water. It's awesome. Now we're heading back out into the open river and we're gonna go over to Hunter Springs. Had a good time swimming around in Three Sisters Springs. So this is Hunter Springs area. The park is closed, like I said earlier, because of COVID-19. Normally it's a really good place to launch a kayak, but you can still get out and swim today. Lots of people chilling out in their boats today. It is a busy day. So it's a Sunday, and there's a lot of people out on the river today. So that's the beach over there to launch kayaks. So we beached our kayaks to get out, walk around, stretch the legs a little bit. Normally, if this park were open, there'd be a whole bunch of people swimming in this spring right here. So again, this is Hunter Springs. Very clear water, good for snorkeling. And of course, we had to walk the dog. So we paddled back in this little cove here and saw a manatee. So there's certain times of the year in Crystal River where there are a ton of manatees. I don't see the one that we were just spotting, but he's around here somewhere. All right, we're wrapping it up. We're gonna try to pull the kayaks out here at this grassy area, and I just saw another manatee stick his nose up right over there. Back where we started earlier today. So I hope you enjoyed the tour of Crystal River. It's really nice to have that much open water paddling that's all spring fed, pretty clear water. And then of course the ability to paddle into springs and swim in springs is just an added bonus. So highly recommend it for kayaking. Thanks for watching.